know that one thing you never think you'll need until the exact moment you desperately need it? Yeah, that's what we're talking about today. Because your school bag shouldn't just be filled with books and 17 pens you don't even remember buying. There are certain little things that can save you from some seriously annoying situations during the school day. So if you want a school bag that is actually prepared for real life, here are things every student should keep in their school bag. Number 1, a small emergency pouch. This should be your little I have my life together pouch. Keep things inside that you might randomly need during the day. Bandages, tissues, hand sanitizer, wipes, hair ties, sanitary products, safety pins, whatever you personally find useful. The point is not to carry your entire bathroom around with you. It's just having a few things together in one place so you're not digging through your backpack like you're searching for buried treasure when something happens. Number 2, period emergency supplies. Even if you aren't expecting your period that day, keeping 1 or 2 sanitary products in your bag is honestly one of those things you will be grateful for eventually. Because periods have absolutely no respect for schedules. They don't care that you checked your calendar, they don't care that you wore your favorite uniform, and they definitely don't care that you forgot to prepare. And if you don't need it yourself, you could end up being the person who saves someone else's school day. Number 3, stain remover wipes or a small stain remover pen. Imagine you're eating lunch. You drop something on your uniform. You look down, and there it is, a giant stain. And now you're spending the rest of the day trying to cover it with your backpack. This is why having something small that can help with stains is so useful. It can be especially helpful for food, drinks, ink, makeup, or those mysterious marks that somehow appear on your clothes 5 minutes after leaving home. Because your uniform does not deserve to suffer for your lunch choices. Number 4, a backup pen and 1 extra school supply you always lose. Notice I said backup. This is not your everyday pen. Keep one somewhere in your bag and pretend it doesn't exist. Because the moment you have an important test, your pen will suddenly stop working. The pencil will disappear, the ruler you literally had yesterday will enter another dimension, and somehow everyone around you will also need a pen. So have one backup that is strictly for emergencies. Future you will thank you. Number 5, a power bank and your charging cable. If your school allows you to carry one, this is one of those things you don't appreciate until your phone is sitting at 3%. And suddenly, everyone you need to contact is unreachable. Your ride, your parent, your friend, everybody. So keep a small power bank and the correct charging cable in your bag. Just remember to actually charge the power bank, because a dead power bank is basically a very expensive brick. Number 6, a small amount of emergency cash. Not your entire savings, not money you plan to spend on snacks every day. Just a small amount kept somewhere secure in your bag for genuine emergencies. Maybe you suddenly need transportation. Maybe you forgot your lunch. Maybe something unexpected happens. The important thing is that you keep it somewhere safe and don't treat it like free money, because the second you start spending it on snacks, it is no longer emergency money. It's snack money. Number 7, a reusable water bottle. This one sounds obvious, but it makes such a difference. Having water with you means you don't have to spend your entire school day feeling thirsty and waiting until you get home to drink properly. And if you already carry one, make sure you actually clean it regularly, because there is nothing cute about carrying around a bottle that has been through 3 school weeks without a proper wash. Number 8, a small snack. If your school allows you to bring food, keep a small snack for those days when lunch feels approximately 1,000 years away. Choose something that won't easily leak, melt, or explode inside your backpack. And please remember that the snack exists. Do not discover it 6 weeks later at the bottom of your bag. We are trying to organize your life, not create a new ecosystem. Number 9, a small umbrella or rain protection. If you live somewhere where the weather can change its mind without warning, this can be a lifesaver. Because leaving home under beautiful sunshine, only to find yourself standing outside school in heavy rain, is not the plot twist anyone asked for. A small foldable umbrella can take up very little space, and if you don't need it that day, great. But the day you do need it, you will suddenly feel like the smartest person in the entire school. Number 10. A small zip bag or reusable bag. This is one of those random things that sounds unnecessary until something happens. Maybe something spills. Maybe your shoes get dirty. Maybe you have something wet. Maybe you need somewhere to put something messy without touching the rest of your school supplies. A small bag takes up almost no space, but when you need one, you'll be very happy you remembered it. Bonus: a small, just-in-case notebook. Not your main school notebook, a tiny one. Use it for random things you need to remember during the day. A homework reminder, something your teacher suddenly tells you, an idea, a phone number, something you don't want to forget. Because sometimes the most annoying part isn't doing something, it's remembering what you were supposed to do in the first place. And there you have it. Your school bag does not need to look like you're preparing to survive the apocalypse. You don't need 27 random items stuffed into every pocket. You just need things that solve actual problems. Things that help when your period decides to show up early. Things that help when you spill lunch on your uniform. Things that help when your phone is dying. Things that help when the weather suddenly changes. And things that help when you realize you've forgotten something important. So before school starts, take a few minutes and look through your bag. Remove the old receipts, throw away the mysterious wrappers, find the pen that has been missing for 3 months, and add the things that you know you'll actually use. And Glowies, I hope this video gave you at least a few things that made you think, wait, why have I never kept that in my bag? Because sometimes the smartest school habits aren't the big dramatic ones. They're the tiny things that make your day easier when something unexpected happens. And if you're new to Glowvelle, welcome. This is our little corner for girls who want to study smarter, stay organized, grow more confident, and become the best version of themselves one step at a time. So if you love school tips, study advice, organization, glow-ups, and little things that make everyday life easier, subscribe and join the Glowies. And to my Glowies who's been here from the beginning, thank you for watching, commenting, sharing, and growing with me. This community wouldn't be what it is without you. And remember, you don't have to have everything figured out. You don't have to become the perfect student overnight. Just keep making small choices that make life a little easier, a little better, and a little more organized. So pack your bag wisely, take care of yourself, look out for yourself and your friends. Keep learning, keep growing, keep becoming. And as always, stay glowing, Glowies.